Over 1 million unemployment insurance claims confirmed as fraudulent. That's just right here in Maryland. Good evening and thanks for watching WMER2 News at 6 and streaming us on your favorite device. I'm Kelly Swoop along with Jamie Costello.
Yeah, we continue to hear about these bad actors out there attempting to steal your benefits, but we haven't heard of anybody getting arrested yet.
WMER2 News' Mallory Safaste is putting this in focus for us tonight.
We checked with a handful of local police departments and Maryland State Police. They told us to check back with the Maryland Department of Labor. And in a meeting in June, Assistant Secretary Dana Freeman had this to say.
Yeah, they've done some stings. I think it's been some arrests. Oh, yeah.
But when we asked about these arrests, we learned there have only been a handful. In June, a Greenbelt man was arrested on charges of fraudulently obtaining more than $500,000 in COVID-19 relief funds. He's accused of submitting 50 New Jersey unemployment applications for 42 people and receiving nearly $200,000, as well as filing fraudulent applications for small business loans and grants. In May, a Georgia man was indicted for allegedly operating a scheme that defrauded the Maryland Division of Unemployment Insurance out of $506,000. And the U.S. Attorney's Office for the District of Maryland is prosecuting a Tampa man for reportedly submitting bogus unemployment applications to the Oklahoma Employment Security Commission, yielding more than $176,000. He allegedly used and possessed fraudulent credit and debit cards in Maryland. He's also accused of spending more than $10,000 using 15 debit cards in 7 identity theft victims' names. And just last week, court documents in California were unsealed, detailing an unemployment insurance fraud ring based in Maryland. The suspects allegedly used a Hyattsville, Maryland address to collect $1.4 million in unemployment benefits from Arizona, California, Maryland, and North Carolina. $1.2 million came from California, $158,000 from Maryland. The 3 men reportedly received over 175 prepaid UI debit cards at one Hyattsville address and 57 others at another address that allegedly defrauded Maryland of an additional $120,000. According to the Department of Labor, 92% or 1.4 million in-state and out-of-state claims filed in Maryland were confirmed as fraudulent. To combat fraud, the state started requesting ID verification documents. They then hired LexisNexis to expedite the process. However, more than 24,000 claims are still pending review. For WMER2 News, I'm Mallory Safaste.
And the Maryland Department of Labor put out an alert on another scam targeting unemployment insurance claimants. If you receive a text that looks like this one, don't respond or click on any links. If you suspect that you've been a victim of these scams, contact the Maryland Department of Labor or visit mdunemployment.com.